wala kailangan nawakan dun eh. Tignan mo lang.
Good ball.
Pagkasgasan mo sapatos mo.
Tigas ah.
Elvis, short number, 2 points. Elvis Gal. 2-0. Pero, Team Masa. Ron?
Hindi, yung team nyo na sila Clark, yan na yung player. Yung sa atin, wala na. Talo tayo eh. Yun tayo, mission. Wala natin kayo.
Tumalo kay Green, Elvin, dito kay Elvis. Pass to Elvis. Elvis pass to Mikey. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Team Bayu. 9 minutes to 10. Crossover move by Reyes. Pass to Jake. 15 seconds to Jake. Pass to Figura. 12 seconds to shoot. Steal by Elvis, but out of bounds. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 2-0. May ball count dito na. Jake. No good. Lima bar number 23. Pass to Elvis. Now it's Reyes. 2 points. Reyes. 1-0 in favor of Team Muscle. Reyes against Gal. To Figura. To Jake. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Derepite. To Figura. No good. 3-5. Gal. To Nepomuceno. No good. Nepomuceno again. No good pa rin. 3-5. Tumanot pa rin. Tumanot pa sobrang move. Tumanot. 15 seconds to shoot. Figura. Power move. Figura. 2 points. Roll. Figura. 4-2. In favor of Team Muscle. Reyes taking 3. Number 11, Reyes. 7-2. In favor of Team Muscle. Pass to Jake. Pass to the Terepite. 2 points. Emil. Juke Terepite. 7-4. Team by Team Muscle. Welcome sa ating Swisher View Bowlers. Swisher to Pumawis Run. 7th run of the year. Steal by Reyes. 2 points. Third Reyes. 7-6. In favor of Team Muscle again. Gal. Elvis rebound. Wow. First rebound by Team Bayu. 7 minutes and 4 seconds. Score 7-6 in favor of Team Muscle. 15 second shot clock. Counting 3. No good. Team of 5. Derepite. How you play to Reyes? No good. Team of Derepite. Not counted. Ano ba, counted? Good. Galing yun. Good ball. Counted. Change people. 8-7. In favor of Team Bayu. 8-7. 8-7 in favor of Team Bayu. Ora 6 minutes and 30. Gal, pass to Reyes. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Reyes, hook shot is good. Change people. 9-8. Reyes. Floater is good. 6 minutes to 16. Tumano. 15 second shot. Alley play to Ronald Figura. 2 points.